Hey everyone, and welcome to Antenna 300. Today's video we are back here in this garden area, and we're about 60 feet away from the house, and there's something back here that I wanted to show you guys, and that's this bird bath here. Now for a while now I have wanted to put a fountain back here, maybe a water feature of some sort, and I figured this bird bath is probably the best thing there is. I do have two bird baths, but this one's looks way cooler back here. But the only problem is we're 60 feet away from the house. I can't just get a wire out here. I mean, I can, but I found a much easier solution. One of these things. This is a solar powered fountain. You can put this in things like this bird bath here. You can put them in your ponds. I thought it was pretty cool. So in this video we're going to be installing it and setting it up. So let's get started. So as you can see, it's made by the Billing, if I'm saying that right. Kind of a plain box, nothing too much going on. Let's go ahead and open it up. And on the inside we have our spray heads or sprinkler nozzles from the looks of it. Got some flexible hose in here. Here is the pump unit itself. You can see it's got these suction cups on the bottom so you can anchor it to certain things. Here's the filter. That's actually the input for the pump itself. And here's the cord. This looks like a solar panel stand. This is solar operated, if I mentioned that already. We got a spike here, and looks like more filters for the pump. And here is the solar panel itself. We got some screws in here for probably mounting the panel. And here is our manual here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this set up. Here's our mounting adapter we're going to use. Here's the brown spike. Just push it in there. And this should just slide in theory. There we go. Just like that. And we can go ahead and stick this in the ground over here next to our bird bath here. We want the sun. There's a plane flying over. I don't know if you can tell. Let's put it right here next to these flowers here. There we go. So it's collecting our sunlight. Take our pump without stepping on the panel or the flowers, because I don't want to do that. We're just gonna place it in the middle. We want to take our connector here, and our connector go into our pump, and just plug it in. And our connection is made up. Kind of working. Unfortunately, I don't know if there's enough sunlight, which is weird considering it's in the sun almost. There it goes. I guess we'll try some adapters if you wanted to. I'm a little worried about these adapters because they might make a mess. So it looks like you take this thing, this part here goes onto the pump, and then you have a bag of different spray heads, which just, you can see the holes here, and it just twists on, and you have something just like this. Well, I'm missing a part. There we go. Okay. The reason why it's doing that is because of not enough sunlight right now, unfortunately. We're filming this in the late evening, so unfortunately there's not enough sun. But it is cool though. I'll have to come back a different time to see it, but there it goes. Let's turn off from that. Oh wow. I like that one the best. This one shoots the highest. This one shoots the highest for sure. That's about maybe 2 feet. That's probably the highest right there. It's kind of spilling over a little bit, but that's alright. That was cool. Let's see it here. So this is just without the without anything on it. And then you can leave it going if you want. We'll leave it without this for now. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this quick video. If you guys enjoy this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, I'll see you.